I'm a money magnet, draped in designer, I stay high fashion. Kiss you Bushi, know I'm high maintenance.
So with it, Charles, big boss. Okay, look, I know I'm usually standing in front of this all stagnant, looking like him. But right now, that's not what I'm finna do. What I'm finna do is I'm about to bring y'all a standing up unboxing. Now I'm talking about unboxing stuff I got from Amazon. I know I just did it, but you know me, I bought too much shit, dude. You know what I'm saying? I bought too much stuff. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to open up the little one and open up the big one. Let y'all know what's popping. You know what I'm saying? What's popping down in ChrisDACEO. Turn your life around. Turn that frown upside down. I will use my teeth. You know what I'm saying? But you know, I'm real. You know what I'm saying? I'm real violent. I had a stressful day. So that's how I'm about to open up shit today. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know if I want to use scissors right now. I might just use I've been growing my nail. So I'm finna use it. Watch this. You ain't never seen a man open up a package right now with my fingers. Stop playing with me. You feel me? Woo! Alright, y'all. So you know I got that Azzaro wanted fly shit. You like, damn, big boss? You always get that fly shit. Like, yeah, I'm big boss. Hey man, treat yourself, don't eat yourself. Don't think too hard about that. But anyway, yeah, let's go ahead and open this up real quick. Let's go ahead and see if they done played me. You know what I'm saying? Because they played, Amazon played me a couple times with a couple of these fragrances that I'm not finna tell y'all that's fake. But anyways, this look mighty real. So we dealing with another Azzaro. Y'all know I got this, so now I got two. You jealous? Be honest, are you jealous? You jealous of shit right now? You hate beating yourself up. He got too many. Yeah, I know. Let's see this one real quick. Not telling you. Anyways, that's just fly. Ooh, make me want to just, the box. Hey. So look, this, look. Let me tell y'all something, man. This is where it's about to come in. This box is you know what I'm saying? This is the moment of the truth. You feel me? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kick it over to the side. Look what it said. Look what it said on the box. It said don't use a box cutter, but they put tape on it. So how the hell I'm gonna open the box then? Scissors. It's not a box cutter. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Shit. I would stab this one, but this is a little expensive. Come on, I ain't got time. This shit be playing games. Y'all think it's a PS5? I already got one. Stop playing. I already got that. I already got a PS5. You know what I'm talking about? Ooh. Okay, y'all. I made a mistake. This is my gaming chair. I thought it was a MacBook computer I finessed, right? But they really just sent me my fucking chair. So now I gotta buy me another MacBook computer real quick. Let me see. Yeah, game over.